We're making flourless keto battered fish. Let's go. Well, here is another very simple and quick recipe for you to try at home. It's battered fish. Now, the batter part of this recipe is actually based on my 2.0 pasta sheet recipe. And if you want to check out that pasta sheet, it's beautiful. Do click on this link now. Nutritional information and your shopping list ingredients is listed in the description box. Let's get into the recipe now. To a small bowl, add 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon of finely grated or powdered cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of powdered gelatin, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder for fluffiness, and these are the extras or the optionals. For flavoring, I added 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of pepper. Whisk that up real good, and when you're done, check that it is thick enough, and if not, you can add more cheese, and I'm going with another tablespoon, and whisk again, then set aside. I'm using 1 basa fillet of fish weighing 200 grams, and I patted it dry with a paper towel because I don't need any more moisture aside from what's in the batter. Here you see I'm spreading the batter on both sides, and of course I was too enthusiastic with the first side, so do try to make sure that you just add half to the first side. I'm using avocado oil for frying, so heat up 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil over a medium heat. Add the fish, let it cook on both sides, and you may need to press the sides or the edges to seal them off. Ta-da! Check out the inside. That took me just 10 minutes, guys. I actually did a keto French fry battle ages and ages ago, and if you're feeling like some fish and chips, perhaps click on this link now and you can get to have fish and chips on keto. I really hope you get to try this one and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and be well.